Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. While Fiat hasn't officially confirmed a revival of the 124 Spider for 2026, rumors and speculation are circulating, fueled by enthusiasts eager for its return. The Fiat 124 Spider, a charming roadster with Italian flair, has been absent from the market for a few years, leaving a void for those seeking an affordable and stylish open-top driving experience. Rumors suggest Fiat might be considering a comeback for the 2026 model year. The revived 124 Spider is expected to retain its classic roadster proportions with a long hood, short rear deck, and a low-slung profile. However, it will likely incorporate modern design elements to give it a contemporary look. A smoother, more aerodynamic body with updated front and rear fascias. Modern LED headlights and taillights for improved visibility and a distinctive light signature. A manually operated soft top to maintain the classic roadster experience and keep weight down. To meet modern emission standards and offer a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, the 2026 124 Spider is rumored to feature turbocharged engines, likely a small displacement turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, possibly with mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency. Potential Abarth variant, an Abarth version with a more powerful turbocharged engine for those seeking a more thrilling driving experience. Rear-wheel drive, to maintain its sporty character. The 124 Spider is expected to retain its rear-wheel drive layout. The 2026 124 Spider is expected to incorporate modern technology and safety features, infotainment system, a user-friendly infotainment system with a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and navigation. Driver assistance systems, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Safety 1 features, standard safety features like multiple airbags, stability control, and anti-lock brakes. If Fiat decides to revive the 124 Spider, it will face competition from the Mazda MX-5 Miata, its predecessor's platform partner. To stand out, Fiat will need to offer a compelling combination of style, performance, and value. Considering inflation, market trends, and competition, like the Mazda MX-5 Miata, a 2026 Fiat 124 Spider would likely start in the low to mid $30,000s, with a potential Abarth version reaching the high $30,000s to low $40,000s. This is speculative until official confirmation from Fiat. While the 2026 Fiat 124 Spider is still a rumor, it has the potential to be a welcome addition to the roadster market. With its Italian design, efficient engines, and modern features, it could appeal to a wide range of drivers seeking an enjoyable open-top driving experience. However, whether Fiat will bring it to fruition remains to be seen. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.